Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amandlela, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys my my go-to makeup routine. So this is going to be a look that I use almost all the time when I go to work and stuff. It's just quick, you can achieve it within 10 minutes. Let me come close to show you what I'm going to be covering. You see all the blemishes that I have. Okay, so what I use before anything is I just use these just to remove the obstruction from my hair. Then next, what I use before I start, this is what I use. This helps just to make your makeup smooth. Okay, and then the next part is Vaseline for your lips. I'm just preparing my lips before I get to putting the lipstick. Okay, this is the foundation that I use. So this is not the correct, I'll put down on the description below. I don't put a lot of foundation on my face, just this much. You can see how small this is. But I also, since this is not the right color, what I do is I mix it with the concealer and I just blend it together. Just so much. I just blend everything together and mix it well to get the color close to my yeah. So this is what is going to work for me. Okay, I'm gonna put it like that. Okay, then I use this brush. Make sure that I cover every spot of my face. You can see I've got like pimples, but it's not a lot of pimples. Like I have like a rash, you know, a rash, like it's not pimples, but it's also like small irritation that doesn't look that bad at all. Okay, so you see now it's almost like there's nothing at all. I forgot to tell you guys that when I have my outfit, so what I do is I put on the scarf to protect my outfit, like when I go to work. Okay, then what I'm going to use next is the powder. And just to come to like how I got this powder, like always when I go to places like Clicks or Discount, like I always ask them, there's always ladies that works there. They will help you to buy the right powder that matches your skin. I actually ran out of foundation. The foundation that I'm using is a foundation that I bought like long time ago. Okay, so you're just going to make sure that you cover all the areas where you had, like, I mean, where you placed your foundation. And then don't forget the neck, because you know the neck is always trouble. Don't forget your neck. Okay, and then the next part is my eyebrows. So what I do is I just always follow my natural eyebrows. This is what I'm going to use for my eyebrows and for my lash, like my lash line, eyelids, whatever it is, whatever you call it, eye pencil. Okay, so this is how you do it. Just do it like this. And then come here, this part. Oops. I just start with the outside. I just follow my natural lashes with this, like this. It's so difficult without a mirror. Let me just use a mirror a little bit. Okay. And then come this side. I'm just going to try and measure using this one and just make it a little bit identical. Like with the eyelashes, don't expect to be, not eyelashes, I mean the eyebrows. Don't expect to be perfect, you know. Even with me right now, I'm still not perfect with my eye. Sorry, I just realized I was blocking you with my mirror. Okay. Use the concealer that is darker than your skin tone, and then you're just gonna put it right here like this. Just put a little bit here, and then you can see it's darker than your my skin tone. Now put it like this. Why am I doing this? I'm just working on my cheekbones, you know, just to slay a bit, toning my nose structure, you know. And then I'm just gonna take a brush and then blend everything like this. Blend it. Blend this area right here. Blend it. Okay, now that you're done with that, you're just going to clean the mess that you did here using the lighter one. Okay, I just use my fingers, because, like, you know, when you have like a lot of brushes, sometimes it just get confusing. I'm talking about the beginners like me. Like, I've always done my makeup, it's been years now, but you know, unless you're doing this for a living, then you're gonna be good with it. Okay, and then we want to do your eyeshadow. So for your eyeshadow, you're gonna still use a concealer. You can see I'm not using a lot of things to confuse myself, because people, like, I also get anxiety, you know, when I use a lot of things. Then I'm just like confused. I'm like, oh no, you know. So I just keep to the basics. Unless otherwise I've got like a lot of time to do this. So we're just trying to do this makeup as quick as possible. So this is what I'm using for my eyeshadows. These are the color combination. I'm just going to go for this color, and then I'm just, so the trick about this, don't go all the way, just brush like here, you know. This is what is going to be the eye definer for you. So don't go too higher than that. Otherwise, you're gonna look like, I don't know. Depends, you know, the look that you want. For this look, I want it to be as simple, as basic as possible. Okay, and then you come here like that. Okay, now that you've done that, you are going to take your bronzer, or before you go to your bronzer, you're just going to use this eye pencil and just fix your eyelids like this. You put your one hand, sorry for that, you put your one hand. Oh, this is not easy, but you just try and be patient, you know. Just broke my stuff. Don't think about it too much, because when you think about it too much, then you start losing it. Just broke it. Just gentle like that. Okay, as you can see, I'm almost crying. So with Beauty Mogul, you just, you know, you just become patient, you know, because it's so easy to give up. And then this is the interesting part. I'm gonna use my bronzer. The bronzer, it actually works better for your cheeks, right here, né? But I also like putting just a bit of it on this line. Just helps to give like an emphasis. Okay, and then the next part is you're going to use these two for your lips. Just go all legs. Okay, and then you go with your lip color. Not a lot. And then whoopla, there you go, you're done. Then the last, oh, you're going to, if you want more definition of on your eyelashes, this is what you're gonna do. You're just going to use this. It's the Essence, because I don't use it a lot, you know. I just use it for my artificial eyelashes. I'm hardly just with my lashes, just to put more definition. Okay, and then next, oh, the most important part is this. It will just set your foundation, your makeup just to keep it, to lock it in right there. And then the last part is and then you become that Mughal, you know, that Mughal. That Instagram Mughal. Yay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you. Just share, comments down below, link down below the comments, like the video, subscribe to my channel for more videos. I hope you like this look. I think it's amazing. It's really nice. This is my go-to look. Okay, thank you, bye. Till next time, thank you guys, bye.